So, hello everyone, Namaste, Adab, Sastikal. This is Dr. Nishant Gupta practicing in Raipur and Bhilai, Chhattisgarh in central India. So, we'll start a series today about some of the rare unsung remedies. So, first remedy that we are going to discuss is a remedy that I'm using nowadays quite frequently, and this remedy has given me lots of results, especially in the menstruation related troubles or the vertigo related troubles. This remedy is something, a gem which should be remembered here. So basically it's the remedy known as the lac defloratum, prepared from the skimmed milk of cow, and you can check out there. So the best thing to start the remedy is to just by reading its nomenclature and by its hierarchy, how the remedy has been evolved. So it's basically a mammal remedy, animal phylum Chordata, Mammalia, Artiodactyla, and it's basically a bovidae. So it's basically a bovidae. So its remedy is prepared from skimmed milk of cow, and as I said earlier, it has a huge sphere of action in the nervous system. I have treated some very good cases of vertigo by these remedies, and extremities and female genitalia. So it works beautifully in cases of suppressed menses, amenorrhea cases. I got some terrific result by this remedy. If you can basically see this remedy is basically need to be belonging to a group as the major theme of most of the member. This remedy also has the theme of basically need to be belong to a group. He can't get detached from the group. He always wanted to remain in the group. And some of the major delusion we will check now. Certain delusion, I have made the totality of all its delusion and what are the peculiarity of the symptoms. So delusion, closing close were wet. So he continually thought that his clothes were wet. Another major delusion we will find out that his dear friend, his dear and dear friend are going to die and he must go to a convent. So convent is basically a school of orphans people, where the orphans, the anath, they used to go there. So he has the delusion that his dear dead friends are going to dead there. And another delusion is friend beloved one die about. So his beloved friend is going to die there. Another important delusion, that is flesh of the body detaching from the bones and edges were separated and striking out. So he has the continuous relation that this flesh is going to separate and striking out, something which is very important. Fear door closed, least the door should be. So he continues at the fear when someone used to close the door. So he got terrified. What should happen? What should be something, that if there is something ghost, there was sometimes anxiety in that type of conditions. Sadness disease about sure he is going to die in 24 hours. So it's quite similar to aconite type of patient. So he used to assume that within the 24 hours he used to assume died. Death desire mediate on the quieter and most certain way of hastening one's death. So he always wanted to die, and he wanted a die which is very much quietest and most certain way. Very easily he wanted to get died because he was tormented for the society. Anger authorities against. So he developed the anger, lot of anger toward the hierarchy, to the superiority, but he always has the anger developed, which is always remains to suppress. Lac defloratum is quite a kind of mild type of personality. You can compare it with type of a pulsatilla or ignitia of a plant kingdom. Quite a mildness you can find. There won't be that much of anger, although there is always been a belonging to a group, belonging to a hierarchy like the animal kingdom. There is always a theme of superiority and the inferiority. So some of the particulars we will take, some of the particular mind rubric and physical rubric we will take. Fear toilets, especially this rubric can be very useful in children, especially who used to in earlier age used to have suffer, not even in the darker places but in the lighter places as well. They have the fear that they won't want to go into the toilet. So lacan is the major remedy that could be thought of. Suicidal disposition, easiest way, ask to the quietest. So even to the quietest of a person, he will ask, what kind of thing I can do to get suicide? Always there is suicidal disposition, which is very, very persistent of lack deflorate, so much tormented from the society. Vertigo, closing ameliorate, lying wild. So vertigo used to get ameliorated by lying down and closing eyes. So this is something which you have to remember. Lack defloratum wonderfully acts well in the cases of vertigo, my personal experience. Vertigo, sitting ameliorate. As soon as he sits, his vertigo get ameliorated, his fatigue has returned. Pain, headache, bursting, forehead, bandaging, ameliorate. So bandaging type, just like a bit quite similar to the belladonna, but belladonna don't have the bursting type of pain, but here the lack defloration has the bursting pain in the forehead that is ameliorated from bandaging. Think of lack defloratum in this type of cases. Head injuries to distress in after, think of lack defloratum, especially the head injuries. As I told you earlier, it acts wonderfully well in the nervous system cases. Migraine, one-sided, sunset, ameliorate. So migraine again ameliorated from sunset. As soon as you see the sunset, migraine get ameliorated. Perspiration, left arm and left leg. So perspiration in the, especially in the left arm and left leg. So lack defloratum is a remedy that could be thought of. Pain in thigh, extending downward to the heel. So pain in the thighs which is extending downward to the heel. Think of lack defloratum. Wonderfully it acts well. Burning pain in the lumbar region while lying. So there is lots of burning pain in the back, in the lumbar region, which get aggravated while lying. So lack defloratum is a major remedy that could be thought of. Menses disturbance, hands putting in cold water form. Lack defloratum is a major remedy. Especially I have used this lack defloratum a lot, especially in cases of suppressed menstruation disorder, suppressed menses, in cases of amenorrhea, lots of amenorrhea cases with girls we didn't get menses for 6 months, 7 months. From lack defloratum 1 single dose, I have seen some miraculously good results. And you can compare it with the pulsatilla. By getting his feet wet, the pulsatilla menses get suppressed. So menses delayed, drinking too much of milk, think of lack defloratum. Pimples, eruption, menses irregular. During the irregular menses, the pimples may appear, think of lack defloratum. So this is all about the lack defloratum, and these are the 2 books that I have written along with Dr. Ayushi Mishra. So you can purchase it, you just by texting it to me. Okay, so you can contact to me. This is my email ID. You can contact to me. Thank you.